Me. It's a kid's toy. At first I will change the button cell with this new cell and we'll see what happens. But I think this is not the only problem. 1.54 volt, 1.55, 1.56. All of them are okay, but they need some cleaning. 2, 3. I insert 3 batteries. Now it has only one button. I press it and nothing happened. That means something is problem inside this device. So now we will open this thing. Here is 6 screws. Okay, now we will see the voltage. Yes, there is no voltage in here. Here is only 0.07 volt. These batteries are all new and I already measured them with my voltmeter and I saw the voltage. The negative side has the problem. Needs some cleaning. I use thinner and the cotton bud for cleaning. I think now it is okay. Still nothing. Still nothing. Now I inject some voltage directly in this terminal and press the button. Oh no, still not working. That's the problem. Okay, power is not the only problem. The second problem is in this switch. The switch is faulty too. So, okay, let's see. Now voltage is okay, but problem is in this switch. So I have to dismantle this switch and examine the problem. What's the mechanism of this switch? Okay, here is 3 terminal. Maybe these are corroded. Yes, of course. And we have to clean this too. Then now it is working. Now I am going to use some petroleum jelly in this switch for protecting it from corrosion again. Then spring, go to your place, and this is our. Now put the cover. And so everything is okay, and I will assemble it again. What's the problem? Okay, everything is okay. Today a kid will be happy when she saw her toy is working again. I have so many things in my table for fixing and I will do them one by one. And of course I will share it with you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Bye.